Nicolai and Gwendoline,
Yes.
how are you?
We're good.
Scared about that kazoo.
Oh, you've noticed the kazoo. Yeah. Well, to celebrate the final season of Game of Thrones, we're going to challenge you to a quiz.
Okay.
Okay. Your opponents are going to be Joe and Jacob.
I mean, I would set the bar low, and then you're never disappointed if you set the bar
exactly.
low.
I bet they're really good.
The prize we're playing for is this lovely picture of Ned Stark.
I have to have that.
Glimmers and everything.
But how would we work out who gets to keep that? Because I want it.
Well,
Bagsy, I want it. I get it.
Custody 6 months of the year.
Let's win first.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm worried about the kazoo.
All right. Question 1. In order, name the 4 characters that occupied the throne since episode 1.
Robert Baratheon. Joffrey Baratheon.
Tommen. Cersei.
Yes, that's it. 1 point.
Okay, Robert Baratheon, Joffrey Baratheon, Tommen Baratheon, Cersei Lannister.
Yes. Can you name the dragon?
I can't.
It's the one that everyone forgets.
I've got nothing.
Drogon.
Begins with an R.
Rhaegar.
Yes. The other one.
The other one.
Which is...
Rhaegar.
This is Rhaegar. Third question. This is the Dothraki round. Do either of you know any Dothraki?
Personally.
The language do you speak?
Oh, right. Like, Valerian's not the same.
No.
No, it's
All right.
No.
Can you tell me what this word means in English?
Zavosa.
What does it mean in English?
Oh.
Java horse, sir?
Jabba horse, sir.
Java horse, sir?
That means...
I'm scared of the kazoo.
It means...
That's what it means.
It
Welcome.
means...
Oh, dragon.
Dragon.
Have we won yet?
No. Alright, the next round is a who said it round. You just need to tell me who said it. If you ever call me sister again, I'll have you strangled in your sleep.
Should we just discuss this between ourselves?
Is it Ramsay Bolton?
That was Cersei that said it. She said it to Marjorie.
She did.
Yeah.
Excellent.
Good line.
If you think this has a happy ending, you haven't been paying attention.
That feels like a Tyrion.
Very.
It's Tyrion. It's Tyrion. Tyrion.
Nope, that was Ramsay Bolton. Has anyone ever told you you're as boring as you are ugly?
Yes, they have.
The Hound would probably say that.
No, it was Jamie to Brienne.
Oh.
Yeah.
Has he said it to me?
Yeah,
Was it-
Jamie said it to Brienne.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh,
I
really?
was right! I was right! I was
One point! I have one kazoo. One of you needs to play the tune.
I'm not touching
Theme
it.
tune.
You do that bit, right? Okay.
I've actually
Backing
go
vocals.
into anaphylactic shock if I have to have anything to do with the kazoo. This is so wonderful. Thanks for
Was
this.
that good?
Perfect.
Thank you.
I'm going to give you 5 points.
Why don't I pick this bit?
I'm going to give you double. That's 10 points. Right?
Yeah!
Perfect. The last round. 30 seconds. Can you name all 9 of the great houses of Westeros?
No.
Okay.
Stark, Baratheon, Greyjoy,
Lannister, Stark, Targaryen,
Bolton.
Nope, they're not on there.
They're not
great house.
legitimate. They're not legitimate.
Not legit how.
Greyjoys, Tyrell, Frey.
The Fraggles.
I'm anxious about the kazoo.
The kazoo is out. This
Kazoo is fine.
Compared to Fraggle Rock.
House Fraggles.
Time. You did well. You missed Aaron and Martell.
All right. How many points do we have?
You,
The Aarons.
I can safely say, are the winners of the Ned Stark picture. Congratulations. Do you want to do a speech? You can keep it, yeah?
I just like to personally say this is the greatest moment of my life.
Yeah. Professional life as well.
Yeah, just life, and I'll look at this forever.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
Thanks.
Thank you to my team.